when I go the one that say why they laugh, you know, once in a while when you deal with people with better, correct family like this, you just happy. Now my able director, Mr. Ani Baba, aka Mr. Malabo, Mr. Malabolicious, Malabolinki. He does tell me, say, man, guy, you have to do like this, do like that. All right, you're welcome back at the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpy. I know Skimpy, the jealous me because my director don't hate me. You know, they jealous me. Yeah, with Obi Martins and Skimpy, we don't go market, we don't come back. And as we come back, so the market go well. Don't forget, say, before we come out, we drop the topic for today. We say, what you go do? If 1 hour to your wedding, you catch person where you want marry, they cheat on you, what you go do? The wedding will go on, maybe the wedding will go on. And we also tell and say, our Ogbonge guest will get today. You don't sit down with us. We don't sit down. Don't forget, if you still follow us for AW Late Night Show, for Twitter, for Wazobia, for Facebook, Wazobia TV NG, and for Instagram, Wazobia TV NG. And at this point, we want to do it in, I want to introduce our guest to now. This person don't sing. They even Skimpy say no. When I go surprise, say, where would they bring and come? No be saying right. No be saying no, they do again. They do homework, they do some underground work. I beg you now welcome the one and only Yellow Bounty!
Yes, my people, I don't show. Now me with this Yellow Bounty.
That's so.
I don't go anywhere a day.
That's so.
A day with an well.
All right,
welcome.
My people, Yellow Bounty, I don't forget. And they pay me. Now, Mr. Malabo, now Kosa, my technical director. Yes. Now, maybe if I will pick where Eagle no carry when it's small. We don't grow up to follow Eagle fight. Eagle no fit carry me again. If say Eagle fit carry me,
seriously, when you say you don't forget, I think say you won't talk about one very important thing. So now for picking now you forget what you say you won't talk about.
My people, foul picking, nothing is up. Easy bits, you know now, you know.
That's so.
All right, Yellow Bounty.
Yes, sir.
How you doing now?
Man, I did fine, I did live well.
Well, you know, if I don't live well.
No, seriously, the point now be say you don't even need to tell us say you they live well. And even when you want to hear your fans now, you say you don't show. I believe say they see you. Because person will see you, thought say no see person, and the person need go sleep, wake up back. Yes, Yellow Bounty, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
You know, my only problem na Skimpy.
Ow.
Skimpy.
But now they follow and laugh because you get one girl, one wife who marry come. Skimpy no happy. And they follow the wife, they laugh. They follow and laugh. They deceive. He poison our mind. Deceive. This DJ they open that one bra if I know the house.
Hey.
Why is it a bra when you shout A?
Now that one was fast.
Because the day when the guy say make I open bra, my wife will marry you. Bonanza. He say, hello honey, let me open the bra. You know how women bra they be now. Some bra according to experience, you know, before I marry, some bra they get 14 hook. Some they get massive hook.
Some they get hook. Some they get hook.
Some that rope.
You know my fear for you, Obi Martin. I don't say that bratty now where you accuse Izibite, but now I make you bring up this topic. Say the difference between breast and Bobby. You go tell us the one where your small wife.
No,
whether I own a Bobby, whether I own a breast before we come up for this show today.
You know, for example,
because I need to know.
Using Skimpy's Bobby have been at breast as an example in a tabular form. Explain the difference between Bobby and breast. 2 minutes.
Obi Martin.
For me, the one way is
No. No be now go talk. No be now go talk, Yellow Bounty. You still get experience.
Okay.
Skimpy, forget. I don't give you an assignment. Using Skimpy's own as a
Obi, I beg, no talk am again.
Go at W Late Night Show for Twitter. Tweet at me. Nothing they happen. Follow me personally at Obi Martins.
Obi, you and my Bobby no be mate too.
Hi.
You and my Bobby are no be mates. Okay. Because for you to come and talk about and come see me then use it in a tabular form again, what do you mean?
What I mean is that go to Twitter and tweet at W Late Night Show. Twitter, give me the difference between Bobby and breast. And follow me for Facebook at Wazobia TV NG and Instagram Wazobia TV NG. Skippy. That's what I mean.
No worry.
Can just go.
Nothing will go fit you. Okay, country people, and nothing like this. We say they do on top the W Late Night Show. That's now why we always emphasize and say no matter how your money don't take waka, no matter how you have to know don't take go. If the two no make sense at all, just make sure say you keep a date with us as soon as 10 o'clock na gbagan, because we dey there to put twinkle twinkle little star on top your evening, make blink blink for enter your life. Now the levels be that one. And on as we say they do, and say first of all on top the late night show, we dey give on a cocoa of the day. That na that level, so we dey tell on a plenty things. Then from there we go move enter the next level. But for now, maybe enter the cocoa of the day. And you know, say as we then introduce our guest give on us, so not be only me and Obi Martins plus Easy Bay sometimes now I go talk about this cocoa of the day. Yellow Band himself go shook mouth because now waiting concern everybody. Yeah. Now the level with that one. So on top the cocoa of today, we get one. Yes, and this one happened inside Obodo, China. And waiting they talk now, be say one woman inside China, as she catch her husband, they cheat on her. She just enter house, carry scissors, take and cut her husband.
Wait. My people, now this thing, my people. Now this thing make me the best for Skimpy. Now the late night show, not be the night show, the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpy. So now 10 o'clock, if I pass 10, we did as a very bad thing.
Yes.
So now,
we won't pass 10.
Make we even talk how it be. Any small picking when they watch this show, now you know what they find.
Now you know.
Skimpy talk. One woman catch her husband they cheat. He caught her husband prick. He cut her, come on, he chop it.
No be by force to spoil. If I don't want to call on that name, no be by force.
No be spoil. No, we could talk and make people understand. He cut the husband for more. He cut him. Say, why do they cheat? Talk the matter, you give me to understand. What's happen?
Okay, Obi Martin, thank you for saying you elaborate. Thank you. Okay, now waiting happen now be say according to as I talk before, they say the husband he just carry his wife's system, whether na phone, whether na laptop, I don't know which one exactly, but he carry the husband system. That's the husband carry the wife's system. I'm waiting at the talk. Now he can't begin send text message on top email on top the wife system, can't send them to his own girlfriend, and when he can't do mistake, do not be saying he no log out. So as the wife just pick her own phone, I been her laptop, she just go through all the messages where the man don't send, no be even one, no be two, he don't they do and before. So as she just say and she say, okay, now like this, now waiting you day up to behind my back, you they shop another person, she just enter inside the house, carry scissors. Husband will like down inside room, she just go back and
hey!
Cut him.
That one a strong thing.
Hey! And not even the end, because as this one happened, they rush the man go hospital. Really? Now the point now be say as the man still dey hospital, they don't attend to him. The wife still sneak enter the hospital again. You know, she not be cut and finish. Whether na half, you know, they come,
some parts still hold on, some small meat still hold on.
They come manage two and together. Now so she go inside the hospital again, go kuku cut and finally from window fling and go outside. As I go tell you, Obi Martin since. As I go tell you and soon because of bonanza. And
Skip the walk waiting. The day, in fact, make I tell them, I know everything cut my own. I go show them my own, no far close. So that if Skippy cut them, I'll show them.
No, not be say you go show them. So that if Skimpy cut them, then go fit know the color where then go buy, take replace them.
So now apply for me.
The color and size.
No problem.
Oh. They'll know the color and size.
But seriously, what do you think about this issue? What did the man do? What waiting she do the man?
No, not what I'm at all. You know what? The thing where she's supposed to do, as you don't see them, so she's supposed to relax, go back, go think again. Why that man go down so? Maybe she self need to play along with the man. Because some kind
No, I don't go agree with you.
Some of our yawo then day like that. See some of our yawo then day. If you did that way you need them, go, they're not going to give you. That thing will come make you come they get asirons. I know the Bible say you have to be submissive.
To your husband.
Woman, anyone submit. To your husband, not to another person. Be submissive to your husband. That time your husband will need that, or your guy will need that.
Give up.
You can they do and shakara. You can wait.
Now wait till she do me now.
And they say God loves a cheerful giver.
And you must worship in the temple of God. Because you must be cheerful to give God.
So maybe now waiting she don't they do the man, but after the man they get that plenty test message. Anytime where that wife don't fuck up, in girls go send test, take cool in mind. Anytime when wife don't go, don't disappoint and go send test. Because that babe, now that's another babe when they get regular. That's a test message come full. You understand
Yellow
now?
Man, you know you they talk like one kind bad man.
No, yellow bad now. About yellow bad now.
Yellow bad.
See, you see, yellow bad. Make I tell you what.
No bad.
No yellow bad.
My mama born me, people say they see. But across the motor no jammy. And no jammy. And moreover,
they say
I don't know say babe said will quite even like me today. Because before they toast them, they do shakara for me.
Why?
At the tire, But when I banty, they call some more. I no know.
Banty.
They say if you friend Afin, you go born Afin. But I come born. Plenty they go. No Afin inside.
I plenty you born?
No one now.
How many you born?
Them before now. 2 boys.
Okay, I want to ask you what yellow banty. For this matter, so no be say no matter what the man don't do the woman, the woman is supposed to go that live. That is, they say women they think now one way traffic them be. They took 2 times. And whether the woman or they give the man no, or the man they give the woman no, you know warrant the man to go cheat on his wife. No. You know good make man cheat on his wife, and you know good make woman cheat on his husband. The thing be say the man no be guy man at all. That man go to slap. If I catch him, you want send message with your girlfriend. You go use your wife laptop.
I didn't take fuck up.
If that man go to slap.
Maybe he said one round to really hurt the woman. I don't know say the woman go down up to that extent of removing the.
No, when they don't cut that woman cut that thing now.
Now waiting and one seriously, the man feel survive without the thing because now they begin go downstairs, go they search for the thing. They say they no see him.
Maybe rats don't.
If he survive without.
They don't cut my own before I know. Still keep
if he survive
no,
without
they still do surgery.
Forget surgery. No matter how no matter how science and technology advance reach, no surgery if you make crayfish straight.
But you gotta go drown, try to get a pump arm.
They don't cut your own before.
No.
Maybe they don't pinch them.
No, they never pinch him. Narob.
They must see him, most see you almost no.
Okay,
After.
that one for that one way happen inside Obodo China. Then the next one still on top the cocoa of the day. This one we hear one new guy don't come outside. The name na Micah. I don't know whether I carry the name well, whether na Micah, whether na Mika. But I know see the spelling na M-I-C-A-H. And waiting they talk about this guy now be say this guy if you see waiting he take do yash, if you see waiting he take do hips. And they tell you say Kim Kardashian they learn, even Nicki Minaj they learn. Look at the picture, you know.
That guy you.
He's bad like that.
Hey.
He's a bad guy.
Is he remind me of my bonanza?
You know?
Hey.
Just check them out. You go come wonder say because when I first see this story, I need to go search more. I can't see like 15 other pictures because for my mind I've been first say okay whether this is a Photoshop. Sure you get, but the other ones what I see, I look say shoo. Are you teasing me? Oh wow!
Don't go funny, baby.
Don't go funny, skip me.
You know,
but seriously,
this way no skip it. This way people going. That they do they be yao. Imagine say I carry hips, this kind of hips now come here skimpy. Hello, back to go the eye me.
Only you do the show.
Oh, go the eye me. Name man like that get hips.
I just a thinker. But a good man myself get hip.
How for you? What you put in?
A good man they get hip na shape now. Me just be like ruler.
But seriously, that kind way in gather, ow.
I want too much now.
Down SS. But me, I like my get hip too. Me, you just come out.
Leave your own.
I like to get hip too.
You won't be like SIM card.
No.
Leave your own. No, they look at it again. Leave it.
You know flat though. He still there well.
Okay, easy be make I ask you because they follow the story with interest. Now make I just check and say you be babe now. Assuming, I not to say you be babe. Assuming say you be babe, this guy now come waka come meet you, he come toast you. You go green with the hips. You look say, ah, wow, see hips, make a big off and fall for this guy.
Talk through.
Well, first of all, that guy will carry hips, so he not do the hips because of another girl. It's obvious say the guy not gay. So now other guys not doing for because if you carry that kind of hips, go meet another girl, maybe you understand, you want to go toast girl, it go irritate her. It go very irritate her because girls they like to the whole man way body they manly. Not be say you go they like feminine, go by they be lesbian. If they approach you like that, so I don't think say it's genuine. Don't make sense.
Waiting and ask easy bit. Wait easy bit answer. If now you be gay,
I say no. I say don't make sense. I don't go agree.
So what do you call the talk? Next time if we start this show, you come out for your ear. That's they confuse you.
Yes.
Okay, make on a Twitter thoughts that one for the ladies. The make case where they follow the late night show. Make on a tell us if now you waited there. This bobo waka come meet you can't tell you say baby I'm falling for you. You go fall for him in return. At W Late Night Show now there we did for Twitter. Don't forget on top how you won't like us. We did there. Wazobia TV NG on top Facebook. Wazobia TV NG on top Instagram. Still on top the cocoa of the day. May we move enter the next one. Obi Martin, Your Majesty. Should I go on?
Go on. What can I get you for?
Okay, now we come here say another one happen for Brazil. And the one wey happen for Brazil now be say one woman, she jump from 10-story building.
10-story building, fall down.
From 10-story building, she jump fall down. And they say wetin save her na the bomb implant wey she do. It be like say na there she take land.
Nah, she don't bounce up.
Yes.
Sure you get.
Yes.
So now they say this bomb implants where she do nice save her. You need to see the picture. Okay. Very scary. Sure you get. Okay. Now the thing where you go think now be say she be Iron Man's sister, abi she be Superwoman.
How many story building again?
No, she won't commit suicide.
10-story building.
Yes, she won't commit suicide.
She won't kill herself.
Then she can't jump.
From 10-story building.
Can't land with a bomb.
A bomb na fake.
Then come boss. Now that one come boss. Now there she take balance. Sure you get. But seriously, if she do bomb implants, that part save her for that side. Yes. Now, ask yourself, she do brain implants, why the brain no scatter?
But waiting,
no, you know that affect the brain now. Now, bomb she take land. Probably it go affect her spinal cord.
Hello, Banty. Make we know.
No, go affect the brain.
Make we know. Leave what we supposed to talk. Yes. The bomb that be the news.
Okay.
But waiting make the woman won't kill herself. Why she takes in as suicide? That be the best option.
Jump from up.
10-story building.
Well, we thank God those ain't gonna get fake bomb again. If get fake yash, what they call a bomb say fake yash.
So now that fake yash na bulletproof.
Advantage.
You know, seriously.
That one will be news. Okay, I beg, madam bomb bouncing. No, why you want to kill yourself?
Ask her.
No kill yourself. Life sweet oh. Waiting you they pass through where person never passed through before. You don't pass through waiting me and they pass through for her with skimpy. Yeah? You get one day with skimpy frustrate before you carry rope walking by saying, now look at why the rope tight my neck.
You for just die first.
You know, I be person wants suffer past job.
I tell you, your problem past job.
Person wants suffer past job, where go kill yourself.
I tell you.
What did they kill yourself for?
I bet.
Just bear and make life the sweet you they go. The life sweet.
It's sweet too.
For my Facebook, I like this life. What about you?
I like it too.
I like it.
Over like and self they worry.
Life took pay more.
Yellow Banty, the way they talk for this show, they lose skimpy too much. The I am. Don't go funny.
Wait, ma, you know say I like to the eye.
Aye, they sponsor us. Aye. All right, my people are still on the late night show. You did. Would they advise anybody with they out there? We won't take suicide as option. No, take your life.
At all.
No, take your life. I beg. Would they beg you? No, be that one be the option. Life sweet. No matter what you they go through, somebody don't go through them before.
Even 10 times more.
10 times more. If you see your own worst, go ask people. They won't pass your own. Don't take your life. I beg. And that woman already did that place. I beg, mother, don't do them again. Don't forget, at the late night show with day, Obi Martins and Skimpy. I just say, calm down today because I want Skimpy. Don't tell me where my bonanza day. Maybe for tomorrow again, you go tell me who I go follow talk. Make them give me because shishi, I don't get to pay. All right, now if I will pick away, Igu no carry when it's small. Igu no fi carry me again because I don't grow to follow Igu fight. At Twitter for W Late Night Show, follow us. Follow us, may put your mouth for the matter. The difference between breast and Bobby. That one I want. Then our bonga topic for today. Now, what thing you go do if you catch your husband or wife 1 hour before your wedding? You go still go with the wedding or you know go with the wedding. Follow us. You go look your screen. Our social media is scroll there. Tweet at us and make it follow me best Skimpy. Let me know where my bonanza day. And the hour where they look us, Apollo no go do you. Yellow Banty sit there for the house. We go for the next segment now. But before we go to the next segment, Skippy, we'll go small markets. When we go out for the markets, we'll go people's parliaments. When we go swear Yellow Banty in, then we'll ask her the question where we say we won't ask her.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Before we pick away, Igu no carry one is more. Igu no fi carry me again. We'll go market.